Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Hotmail or Outlook inbox is constantly flashing that dreaded storage full message, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to buy extra storage for your Hotmail account in just a few simple steps. No tech jargon, no confusion, just a clean step-by-step process. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Outlook or Hotmail account through the official Microsoft 365 website. Head over to office.com, click on sign in, and enter your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll be on your main Outlook dashboard. Next, look up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. That's your settings menu. From there, scroll down and select View All Outlook Settings, then choose the Account section. This is where you can manage everything related to your Microsoft account, including your mailbox storage. Now, under storage, you'll see how much space you're currently using and how much you have left. If you're running low or already maxed out, don't panic. Just click on Get More Storage. Microsoft will show you different upgrade options depending on your region and account type. Plans usually come with added benefits like larger mailbox space and extra OneDrive storage, so it's definitely worth checking out the details. Once you've picked the plan that fits your needs, click Buy Now. Follow the on-screen steps, confirm your payment method, double check your billing info, and finalize the purchase. Within seconds, your account storage will be upgraded and you'll have plenty of room for future emails and attachments. And that's it. You've just bought extra Hotmail storage the easy way. No stress, no errors. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.